Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to enable floating calculator on Xiaomi Redmi Poco phones which are running on MIUI 11. Here is my Poco F1. To enable the floating calculator, open the calculator app on your phone. Here is the calculator app, Mi Calculator. If you see here at the top left you have these two arrows. You have to click on this. Here you can see that you can float this calculator anywhere you want. You can even increase or decrease the transparency of this floating calculator. Beside the arrow keys there is a water drop. You need to click on that, and here you can see that you can increase or decrease the transparency. And if you want to move the calculator at any point, you can do that. You need to press and hold on this black bar and you can place it anywhere. Here you can see that, and you can use any app in the background. And also we can resize this floating calculator also. To the bottom left of the calculator there is a 3 lines. You need to press and hold on these 3 lines, and you can see that you can resize the calculator to whatever size you want. If you want to exit the floating calculator, you need to simply click on this arrow keys at the top left of the calculator. It will exit the floating calculator window. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable the floating calculator on Xiaomi Redmi Poco phones which are running on MIUI 11. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.